we bought a house, pretty sweet house, pretty nice house, bunch of property, got a bunch of property, but there's no internet anywhere that I can find. Spectrum won't come out here, AT&T won't come out here, none of them will come out here. So we got the StarLink, and we're gonna get that hooked up right now. Follow me, brother. All right, so we got the StarLink box right here. I also picked up this high power pellet gun because I have a squirrel problem and they're living in the barn. That's not very cool, so I gotta pop them suckers, dude. I don't like it. I don't like shooting the wildlife, but they're tearing up the barn. I cannot have that. So anyway, we got the StarLink here. And we're gonna get this thing unpacked and set up. Hopefully it works. A lot of people say that it's faster than like Spectrum and all that good stuff. And I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Oh. Whoa. It's very white. Nicely packaged. You have your power cord for the modem, I'm supposing. This is a 50-foot cable. Are you guys ready for this? Are you guys freaking ready to see how fast the StarLink is? Well, I sure am.
Elon Musk, baby, let's go.
So what we have here is we have this marvelous tower. It's not an eyesore at all, okay? What we're gonna do is, I don't think I need to take it all the way to the top here, but I was thinking about trying to mount it right here, and I got a special mount for it and everything. I had to order that on Amazon, and they overnighted it, and it was here in like 12 hours, dude. It was here in 12 hours. So I'm gonna do all this. We're gonna do some speed tests because I do like to partake in a little bit of gaming from time to time, so it needs to be kind of fast, okay? I'm not messing around here. That's why I didn't get the T-Mobiles, because they could de-energize my Wi-Fi. I don't know if they can de-energize this Wi-Fi. Elon Musk, I don't think he would do something like that. I don't know, I didn't really research it much. I just bought it. Hopefully it works. It's $120 a month, so hopefully it freaking works, okay? But apparently the previous owners thought that somebody might steal their dish, so they came up with this brilliant idea. Put barbed wire around the tower. I don't know who they thought we were gonna steal it. I don't know, maybe the squirrels or something. But yeah, so that makes it kind of a pain in the ass to climb up there, but I think I can do it. Instead of climbing up it and back down to get the camera, I'm just gonna climb it once with the camera. Oh God, that's beautiful. And I forgot the StarLink, so I'm gonna have to climb back down. This 100% looks like something I would do. That's some ingenuity for sure. All right, so what we got to do now is get rid of all this old stuff, because we're definitely not going to pay for dish when we're paying for StarLink, because that's $120 a month, dude. Gonna have to go bye-bye. Okay, buddy? Half inch. Come on now. I got it. Don't you freaking worry, buddy. Ah. They're all loose. Alright, I think this sucker should pop right off of here now. Oh, kinda heavy. Horrible camera work there, boys. I'm sorry for that. So here is my from Amazon mount that's gonna work wonderful for the satellite dish pipe. Made in China. Perfect. I love that. Here it is, $30 from China. I understand now.
From the bottom, you got this little lip right here you lift up.
I got it. Just like that. Reassuring click. So there's one concern with this mount. It doesn't have any like tilt back and forth. I can move it side to side, but there's no tilt to it. So what I'm hoping is that this is gonna be in like the perfect position and I won't have to mess with anything. But I highly doubt that. It's time to run the cable down the pole, but we're running out of daylight here. And I don't really wanna be doing this in the dark. Oh, that barbed wire is gonna get me one of these days. Okay, what we have here is I found a hole inside in the wall, and it looks as if the last owner ran what would be the dish network right through this hole, I would imagine. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the same thing, because why would I re-engineer, especially when there's already a hole here? So I got that little chunk of caulk or whatever it is. I need something long and skinny to be able to poke through the hole. But I got a screwdriver anyway. And I'm just gonna try to poke. Feels like there's wood right there. Maybe this hole wasn't what I thought it was. Let's think. All right, so it just so happens that I am doing this at night, and what I gotta do is, I don't know if they re-sided this or I don't know, but there's like just wood behind this hole, and it's weird because there's a hole inside the house too, like right in this exact location. So I'm hoping that I don't hit anything. I'll let you guys know if I do, okay? Here's my little hole inside. Well, I don't think the two holes are the same holes, but this should help. Let me get my thinking cap on here. Okay, I lost my headlamp. That's a problem. All right, so I have figured out that these holes, this one here and then the one inside, the exact same size, do not line up. So, all right, so it is a new day here, and I got Madison down there, and she's going to help me. I'm gonna go outside and hold the siding because we gotta make a new hole. We're just gonna use this hole because it goes outside, and if you poke it, you can feel it move the siding, so it's obviously a hole. So what I'm gonna have her do is drill the rest of the way through. I'm gonna go outside and hold the siding so that way it doesn't mess anything up too bad, and hopefully I don't get stabbed by a drill bit. And then I'm just gonna caulk up that old hole on the outside because they don't connect, which is freaking weird. Put it in reverse.
Do I need to reverse it again?
All right, we got two holes now in the siding. That's awesome. Love that. 1, 2, we're gonna plug this one up. I got a black plug for it. This one, we're just gonna do our best to plug it up with the coax wire, whatever you wanna call it, going into it. And then it should be all good. And we'll have internet. So we got our cable inside. All right, so it's dark again, doing this at night once again. I have this temporary permanent dresser here. I have this dresser right here, and I'm just gonna set my modem on there for the time being, probably for a while, but just for the time being. Let's get this thing set up. Theoretically, we should have internet now. I think we shall go test it. Beautiful. Okay, so I got some videos of the property, and as you can tell, we are 100% surrounded by trees, okay? On the left, we have the StarLink speed test. I'm not sure how biased it is. So on the right, I did the Ookla speed test, and it's supposed to be one of the most accurate speed tests out there. So that's what I did. These are the numbers here. This is kind of like an overcast, cloudy day. Both speed tests were done on the exact same time. So very cool. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. We'll see you in the next one maybe. If you didn't think this video was like complete garbage. Peace.